So I wanted to show you this stainless steel saute pan that I've got. There's just several things that I really like about it, so I wanted to show it to you. First of all, it's a heavy duty pan, but it's not super heavy just to pick up and when you put stuff in. And the lid I love. It has a little vent in it on the side, which absolutely helps like to keep your stuff from getting all mushy and stuff because it lets some of the air out. And then it also has this laser etched bottom to it, so you can actually use like a metal spatula in it, and it keeps it from scratching it. And that's the other thing I like too, is that it doesn't stick. Like I always put some kind of spray here. I've used butter in the bottom of my pan to make like a turkey sandwich, and nothing sticks. And if it does slightly stick, when you go to wash it, it just comes right out. But the other thing I like is you can put this pan in the oven up to 500 degrees. And I will say, if you're going to put the lid on, the lid can only sustain 400 degrees, which, that would cover probably most things that you're cooking. And it also works on all kinds of stoves. So if you have a gas, electric, glass ceramic oven or whatever, it works on almost all of it does work on all of those. So I also like that it's non-toxic. So many pans that I have toxic chemicals in them, in the material that it's made from, and this is a stainless steel, so there's no toxic in it at all. So if you're doing like stir fry or just any kind of like frying hamburgers, everything seems to cook very evenly. So I really like that about it as well. So I just thought I would show it to you. It also goes in the dishwasher. So I just throw it in there and it just is held up great. It's got a nice handle to it. I don't know, just one of my favorite pans. So I just thought I'd show it to you. If you're thinking about getting one, I would highly recommend it.